Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna see how to swap networks on MetaMask. First thing you need to do is to open your MetaMask wallet extension in your browser. Log in if prompt, and you will see your wallet interface, usually set to the Ethereum mainnet by default. Just click the down arrow next to the current network name at the top of the MetaMask window. A drop-down menu will appear showing available networks like Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, or others you've added. Select the desired network from the list. MetaMask will now switch to the selected network. To add more networks, MetaMask now supports automatic network addition for EVM-compatible chains. Visit a DApp or blockchain explorer that prompts network addition, like a Polygon app. Click on Add Network. MetaMask will automatically populate the network details like RPC URL, chain ID, and symbol. After adding a network, MetaMask may prompt you to switch it. Just click Switch to use the newly added network. You can verify the switch by clicking the network name at the top of the MetaMask window. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.